the village. So most of the teenagers that you can see. So with Ali, musician from Iran, now they jamming between the Iran music and also the gamelan. So this is the collaboration we can do. Like if you have any guests, if you would like to come and jamming together with us, please come to our village. So we are very pleased to welcome you to visit our village with the teenagers in this village. Thank you. The kids are joining the jamming with Mr. Ali. Thank you, Mr. Ali. He play very good one. So this is kind of gamelan or music that we have in Bali. We call it bebonangan or balaganjur. Actually, the music kind of like this in Bali. We use it when we have like parade and preparation of the ceremony. Yeah, to create more happiness and up the energy. So the dab is jamming very well with this one. Yeah, this is the kendang and kepluk. Yeah, we used to kepluk and the dab, and behind that is the gong and check. That's it. It's nice, huh? Alright, see, enjoy. It's very good, yeah. Okay, so they try to play the dab. So this is kind of like new things for them. Oh, great.
Saya Midun, umur 30 tahun.
Saya Made, umur saya 25 tahun.
Halo, nama saya Iwayan Abdi, umur saya 25 tahun.
Halo, saya Katen, umur saya 12 tahun.
Halo, nama saya Made, umur saya 22 tahun.
Halo, nama saya Adi, umur saya 16 tahun.
Bali Smart